Rihanna is not about singing. Do you know how much Rihanna makes? All this time I'll be holding the mic. Rihanna has cleared millions per minute. Why? Because she fight for face. It's not about the song. It gets so bad that other people sometimes sing the songs and people are performing. They're the fine one, the one with the song but the aesthetically challenged face is behind. It is the fact of life. Say fact. And we're going somewhere, but we have to understand how it works, Abi. So you can't say, it doesn't matter how I look. It's okay. God sees the heart. Well, we are not dealing with God. We are dealing with man. We are dealing with man. So we spruce up. We spruce up because the palace wants people to look a certain way. Then say they must be skillful in wisdom and cunning in knowledge. That means they must have the aptitude to learn. That's all. Woman, be sharp. Soji. You have to, yes. It's never too late to learn. Mama has a mentee who just finished her MBA. She's 40-something. And she's in a position of prominence. She should have stopped studying. But wake up. Go do. Do something. Improve yourself. Aptitude to learn. He said, so that have ability in them to stand in the king's palace. I'm going to step on your toes. Reverend Sam says he's bringing me back next year. So if I step on it, you will still bring me back. Let me talk. Because I have to help you. One of my friends in England just had in his church on Sunday, he set the table and showed people how to use cutlery. Because he said he went to a wedding, he's finally tired. Somebody was eating chicken with a dessert spoon. And you are there looking at me and saying, what am I talking is so important. That's what is blocking you. Your boss calls you for an interview. And then you take your fork in the wrong hand. You take spoon. You are using it to eat rice. Excuse me, spoon is not for rice. These are the things that are standing in your way. You take your bread, you dip it inside your tea. Honestly, let's talk to each other. It's better that way. But you know, we just don't have to do it in public. You get it? We don't have to do it in public. I know it goes that way. In fact, if you look at bread and tea, you understand that they were meant to interact like that. But you just manage until you get home. Manage until you get home. You lock your door and you put it. Cook, let the bonvita be very thick. But then dip it inside. But not in public. That is the meaning of such as have the ability, who understand etiquette. Who understand that a lady puts out her hand first, then you take it. Who knows when to speak and when not to speak. Why? He's also saying, give me. He said, and the children of the nobles. That's what he said. Verse 3. Let's see if there's children of the nobles. Verse 3. Let's see. Verse 3. That he should bring certain of the children of Israel of the king's seed. Men and women. People want people with pedigree till tomorrow. You say, Nena Okachuku. They say, which Okachuku? Is life. Deal with it. What will those of us who have no pedigree, who are not as fine, what do we do then? We understand that these limitations are there and we mitigate it. What is the meaning of the children of the king's seed? They just know that as a king's child, for years you've been taught etiquette. So they're saying people who already know what to do, bring them. But if I was not taught, it is not too late. I can teach myself. What is it? You can be an acting big woman. You practice how you would do when you get there in front of the mirror alone. That when I get, this is how I will work in. You need to practice now. There's something I put on Instagram. The mountain is a platform, is a place of elevation. Not everybody can see me here. By the time I get here, you are seeing even my shoes. Are you not seeing? Which means all my flaws and my beauty or whatever magnified. You see, if you don't prepare yourself before you get to the mountain will end up in humiliation. Yes, so in this same Abuja, we had people who were not prepared for breakthrough and were praying for breakthrough, and the breakthrough came. Hey, it got so bad that they said they shouldn't carry them live on NTA. They might be your aunties and you're angry, but it's the truth. Became a case of, my husband was once a children. The senators are a children. And somebody is saying to me, don't make fun of somebody because they didn't go to school. Nobody's making fun of anybody because they didn't go to school. But if you know you don't fit the place, keep quiet. Let those who can do it, do it. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? But we like that kind. I'm derailing. I want to end. Say finally. It's 2.